Hey guys, this is Tony called me here from Poppa Homes, where we talk about turning credit into wealth by using the power of real estate. It's a great day today, good weather, sun is out. I got a flip currently going on as of now. We're halfway through it. I got a sub-2 property that we're pretty much closing on now. We got to send the papers in the mail to the title company. Hopefully get that thing closed out. Hey, sub-2 properties are awesome, guys. Just imagine us going out there buying a $200,000 house for $6,500. Isn't that crazy? But we'll talk about sub-2 later. But just another beautiful way to get into real estate. But I'm doing this quick little video here. Is that I'm about to go look at a property that we got on the contract. Me and my partner got this house on the contract for a good price. They wanted a certain amount for the property, but me as being a real estate investor, when I called on this property, I was able to get this property down $40,000. Believe me, my years of doing this is not the first time that I've been able to do something like that to get a property down from its value. Because at the end of the day, the price is the price, but the value is the value. So at the end of the day, you guys got to be willing to make offers out there to be able to get deals. But what I want to talk about here quickly is that when you're evaluating properties like this, there's many ways of evaluating here. Are we going to buy this house to hold, to lease to own or something like that? Are we going to get the house under contract, buy it, and sell it out to another investor? Are we gonna buy it, put a lot of money into it, flip it, or will we come in, tear down the property and do some new construction? So that's one of the reasons why I'm meeting my builder here, because I got those three options. Really, just number one, we could go ahead and purchase the house and put money into it, put it back on the market and flip it, or we can look at the dimension of the land and say, ooh, can we divide this land up, build two properties and make almost 2 times as much money? Or again, bulldoze the house and build one big gigantic house. So the options are endless. But here's the thing, when it comes to real estate, guys, you got to know your numbers when you flipping houses. Even if you miss, you're gonna be okay. Long as you don't lose money, I don't care. You made $10,000 or $15,000 off of rehab, but long as you didn't lose money, it's okay. It's not like the work was done for no reason at all. So you guys have to know your numbers and evaluation. So I'm talking to some of your wholesalers out there. Hey guys, if you're in the neighborhood where the ARV is at 175 and you got a house under contract for $100,000, most people out there would say, hey, that's a good number, right? Yeah, if the house only needs $10,000 or $15,000 in rehab or updates. But if that property needs $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 update, those numbers are not going to work. So you got to know how to evaluate that. Hey, if you want to be able to get up to a $10,000 check by using my free manual, show you how to get an assignment fee just by going out there, finding properties and bringing them over to us and allow us to buy them, I will tell you exactly where to go do it. So right here in the description over any video of mine, click on more and click on the link right there. Now you have your own copy of this book. How amazing is that? Get your free copy today. But here's another thing. There are what we call investors and seasoned investors. Regular investors, newbie investors, they'll go out there and say, oh yeah, $100,000, and some contractor, somebody would say, yeah, man, we can do it for 30, and before you know it, it's at 55, and a property that's on the gonna pray for 175. So you have 155 all in on the property, but guess what? You got to put it back on the market. Now, if you set it through an agent, you automatically gonna spend $10,000 of that now. So you have 165. Now we having you figure in your closing costs and your holding costs. you're at zero, or even worse, you may have to come to the table with money. How bad is that? How awful is that? So at the end of the day, guys, you got to know your numbers. You got to say, hey, this is a good deal, or this is a bad deal. It's a bad deal. Be willing to walk away. Even a lot of wholesalers that I talk with, a lot of guys I still mentor, I tell them, hey guys, if they can't get to your number, walk away. That's it. Put them in a follow-up and walk away. So I'm heading to a property here where we're cool with the number. We're good with the number. We're pretty much at the number where we trying to be at regardless. Now it's all about my builder giving me the options of what we want to do. So that's the beauty of real estate, by having those options, getting that price down, by knowing your numbers, guys, and knowing exactly what you want to do. So before we end this video here, let me give you this quick little tip here for wholesalers out there. And wholesalers, I tell you guys, it doesn't matter if you make $5,000, $15,000, $20,000. I'm going to give you a simple tip for maybe some of you newbie real estate investors as well, on how to get your number. All right, so for a wholesaler, the ARV is 175. The rehab is, let's say, 25,000. Okay, so let's just say the all in. If you take the ARV 175 times 75% equals, I can't do that math in my head yet, but let's just say that it's $100,000. Okay, let's just say it's $100,000, which I know it's not. I think it's probably more or less around 120,000. But let's just say it's 120,000. We all in 120,000. So if it's gonna take 25,000 to fix up that property, so as a wholesaler, an investor like me is only gonna pay 95,000 for it, tops, hands down. Okay, but if it's at 95,000, wholesaler, how much money do you want to make? You want to make 5,000? Get at 90. You want to make 15,000? Get at 80. Okay, so it's up to you how much you can get that number down. But guys, you're not wholesaling if all in is going to be around about 120 and you try to bring it to the investor for 110, 115, it's not going to work. Even though someone else can look at that number and say, wow, it's got like $60,000 of equity there, but they're not counting in the rehab, the closing costs, all those types of things to make it work. So guys, at the end of the day, know your numbers. So here at the bottom in the video here, in the comment section, let me know how you guys are getting to your numbers when you come to evaluating property. How are you getting to your number when it comes to, hey, if that's a good deal or that's a bad deal? I definitely want to know. So depending on where you watch the video at on YouTube, Facebook, whatever, hey, subscribe, follow, like, do all those good things so we can push this video up the algorithm so we can get out to many more people. Hey guys, you have a blessed day. Real estate is the place to go, guys. It's the place to go. There's nothing else as beautiful as that in the world. You guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.